right, Eden, what are we gonna do today? Okay, so today, if you didn't understand that, is actually a Tuesday. That is family day for me, and so I pretty strictly don't schedule any studies or different activities during this day. Instead, I'll be spending it all day with the family, and today we're going to be building a little project that Eden's going to help me out with. And so I thought this would be a neat opportunity to share with you guys a couple of the stores that I frequent for home improvement supplies. The first place, the Lumberyard, is actually just down the road, and so Eden can walk with me. So you ready to go?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. All right, so just about when I was going to explain a little more about the Lumberyard, it got really loud in there with the sawmill. So all the lumber there is really rough cut. You're not going to find nothing that's smooth or sanded or anything like that, or has a consistent thickness or whatever. So anyway, but it's a great place to get some lumber. And the nice thing about it being so close by is that the delivery is free. Well, the first chore's done. We got some 2x3s for our project. Now we need to go to the construction store and get some nails and screws and some other odds and ends. Well, we just got back from our taxi ride and got everything we needed. Just some extra nails that I was running low on, some other miscellaneous supplies for our project. So let's get to work, right? So let me share with you all a series of unfortunate events that starts with this nail that you can tell is crooked. No worry, just look for another one, right? This nail is also crooked. Every one of these nails are crooked. When you're trying to drive 4-inch nails through hardwood that are bent, you're going to come up with something that looks like that. And when you get something that looks like that, that then results in something like this. Project delayed.